Good morning. Wednesday, July 30th of the 17th annual Smokey Bear Plated Dirt Bike Ride. And here we are with the Godfather. Morning, Godfather.
Good morning, Xander.
Russ is the reason that this ride started 17 years ago because he invited me on the Colorado 500. Thank you, Russ. Russ, what are you riding today over here?
I have 400, speed 400. I'm going to keep it off the rim trail.
Great looking bike.
Yeah. It's for an old guy's bike.
Well, I appreciate you coming over and appreciate your being the Godfather. Morning, Charlie.
We got mud on the bike today.
Charlie, what was your favorite part about yesterday?
I would say Spiller Canyon. Wait a minute, no, that was the day before. Dry Canyon, really nice, really fun. Good mud in the what used to be dry, but great day. Thank you.
Yeah, that was epic. The moisture was fantastic. Roger, what did y'all do yesterday?
Big loop. 16 rings, mixed bridge. Good day.
Good. Y'all, you look pretty clean. Morning, Mason. He's already got his helmet on. He's ready to roll. Mason, what was your favorite part about yesterday?
The meadow with all the elk running around.
Awesome. What a scene. Great to have father and son here and somebody without gray hair. Morning, Craig. Oh no, wait. I'm off. There's Mark. There's Mark over there. Here he comes. Mark's beautiful, unplated YZ250X.
Unplated. That's not nice. Don't put that in the video.
Oh, and it's got plates on it.
Put him at the end of the line.
That's right. Morning, Mark.
Good morning, Sandra.
What was your favorite part about yesterday?
The favorite part, I think the cross.
Yeah.
For the view. Yeah. Versus.
And-
it was good.
And it was dry.
And it was dry. Yeah. Looking forward to it today.
Morning, Chad.
Morning, sweetheart.
How are your wheelies going to be today?
I don't know, the altitude's high, and I'm not as good as I once was. 2 strokes are hard to wheelie, I'm sorry.
Sounds like a song.
I'll try.
Good.
At least I try.
Hey, 2 strokes are impossible for me to do a wheelie on, so good job.
I used to get better.
Morning, Craig plated
Lowe's,
YZ250X.
Morning. We loved the start of yesterday. We went to Wofford Tower and then the beautiful meadow scene.
Nice. Nice.
Was nice. Have a good day.
Austin,
Morning.
what was your favorite part about yesterday?
That big hill climb on, what's that road? To the side of that one dirt road. Where,
Oh, the little Calico Peak, that little, yeah.
and Dry Canyon was fun. It was tough, but it was fun.
Yeah, that was fun. I've got some good video of you I can't wait to look at.
Me too.
Let's see. Logan is back,
Yes.
but not a Logan bike.
Oh, Logan's bike is still not working.
You know, you've got a factory ride, but we need to work on the team manager. Morning, Big Jim. What was your favorite part about yesterday?
When it was over and I could go back and sleep. I think the technical parts of the Dry Canyon were fun, but I could have done without the rocks.
I agree. Well, that was, reminder of people who hadn't seen or people that haven't seen that, yeah, Jim was in the Philippines on Friday night, Saturday morning, so he's still living on up side of the world time. Now, we have a new guy here. He looks familiar. I've seen his bike on Monday.
Been a while.
Meet ya.
Yes.
How are you doing this morning?
Doing good. I got 50% more bikes here today, so that's always good. Couldn't fix Logan's, but we found the Gremlin and David's bike, so first timer. So glad to be back. Had back surgery last year, so wasn't able to make it, but ready to go get to it again.
Awesome. Well, this is something we've never had as a father and daughter, and it's amazing. In 17 years, we've had only Marv is the only other female, and she's going to be mad, Ava, that she missed riding with you today.
Okay, we'll get to it tomorrow.
So what are you looking forward to?
Having fun. I haven't really gotten on. This is really the first time I get to ride this bike. so I'm ready. I'm excited to see how it differs. And this is going to be my first time on like a real trail.
Man, well, it'll be awesome. I'm so glad you're here. So glad father and daughter. That's really cool. Good morning, Bill Jr.
Morning, glad I made it. Almost on time.
That's right. Got Dad's bike again.
Dad's bike again. I couldn't find the make for mine. They didn't have anything in order.
We got another factory rider here, sponsored by Dad. Well, that's awesome. All right, we're gonna go out and hit the trail. We'll talk to y'all tomorrow.
blank books and notebooks, sit in back rows of city limits, lie in bed, coming and going on easy terms. Sons of the silent age pace their rooms like a cell's dimension, rise for a year or two, then make war, search through their one-inch thoughts, then decide it couldn't be done. Baby, I'll never let you go. All I see is all I know. Let's take another way down. Sons of sound and sons of sound. The silent age, listen to tracks by Therapy and King Dice. Sons of the silent age, pick up in bars and cry only once. Sons of the silent age, make love only once, but dream and dream. Don't walk, they just glide in and out of life. They never die, they just go to sleep one day. Baby, I won't ever let you go. All I see is all I know. Let's take another way down. Sons of sound and sons of sound. Oh, baby, baby, I won't ever let you down. I can't
creek. It's just kind of hard to get across.